In this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit and change backgrounds in Canva. This feature will help you make your designs more professional and attractive. Hello everyone. Step 1. Add image. First, open Canva and add an image from your uploads or Canva's photo library. Step 2. Background remover. Click on your image, then go to Edit Image. Select Background Remover to remove the background instantly. This works best with clear photos. Step 3. Change background. After removing, you can add a solid color, gradient, or even a new image as your background. Step 4. Adjustments. Use the adjust options like brightness, contrast, and blur to match your new background perfectly. And that's it. Now you know how to edit and change backgrounds in Canva. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more Canva tutorials.